Welcome back to the Obscure channel, people. As you see, I've got new wheels for the A6, which you guys, I guess, can see if I look at it. I don't have my mic, so I'm sorry if the mic is a little bit weird. I'm talking through here while also recording here. I gotta somehow match all that up, or hopefully just use the iPhone mic. I don't know, we'll see. The DJI mics are unfortunately in the Golf R, which I do not have right now. I still have it, just don't have it right now. As you see, like every other Audi fanboy, I got some rotors. When I say what are rotors, if you're not an Audi person or whatever. RS7, RS5, many other Audi brand vehicles, everyone kind of floats to the rotors because they look good on a lot of Audis. These are the 21-inch versions. Got them from the shop I actually take the Audi and Volkswagen to, and they came off of RS7. So we're gonna be cleaning them up, ceramic coating them, and putting them on today. And I cannot wait to see how it looks on the A6. A6 isn't lowered yet, but I do want to test fit them just to see how they look without it being lowered. If it looks good, I'll keep them on just to change up the audio a little bit. I'm like getting that itch toward that time. I'm like ready to freaking change something. Can't do cooler intake yet because, well, financial. I got other stuff to deal about before I worry about modding the A6. A6 modding it, honestly, like I said, it's not top of my priority right now. Top priority is getting the Golf R how I want it to be. A6, little stuff along the way, of course. So got the wheels, coilovers gonna come soon. Cooler intake gonna come soon. Tuner's gonna come way down the line as of right now. But yeah, we're gonna be focusing on that first and focusing on the ceramic coating needs today. So have all chemicalized stuff. I didn't really want to use chemicalized stuff. I'd rather use Atoms, but the Atoms or Obsessed the Garage, those are like, for me, those are like king. But unfortunately, you know, did this on the time crunch. Just want to get the video, get these wheels on. And yeah, but I gotta ceramic coat them first to make sure easy to wash, because this thing, Audi A6, capes up so much brake dust. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. To the video. So this is all the stuff we're going to be using for today. Going to be using the first hydro studs to clean the wheels, hydro speed for the ceramic. I forgot to get a buffer to get all the stuff out. All right, we'll just soak the wheels. We'll just do about it that way, and also tire shine. I completely fell out my mind. This is honestly just a rush job to get them on. We're going to do it again, of course, once the car actually gets lowered how I want it to be. This is going to be really big on this car. I want to see how it looks beforehand. Let's see how this looks, because it's going to make this shit helly tall. Nah, that shit about to look fire. Alright, let's get this done. Because it's actually, it might, even at stock height, it might look freaking heat. Alright, let's get these wheels done. Gonna clean it out really quick. Just get a little bit of water on this. That's hot. That's nice. Okay. All right. Let's get some dirt off the top layer. Oh my gosh! I cannot wait to put these things on. They do have a little bit of damage, a little bit of curb rash, but I did get them for a good price, along with the tires that are still on it. Pretty sure, probably good like 5, 6, 30 seconds. I'm guessing. Of tread life left, so not too bad, not too shabby. Now I do hope I don't have to take them back off and balance them. Hopefully they're already balanced. I was gonna do it today, but honestly I really don't have that much time right now, so that'd be for another day. Honestly, what I'm gonna do right now though, I'm only gonna do the ceramic coating on the outside, not the inner barrel, because the inner barrel I really do want to spend some time on it. Actually, inner barrel is actually pretty freaking dirty, so we'll spend time on that at a later date, and then some other day we'll actually do a full ceramic coat with the stuff that I actually want to use. and the stuff I know that will actually stay and work. So I do want to talk about next cars with you guys because, well, it's going to be a channel for you all. And it's something that's been in the back of my mind. I'm waiting for, not that it's going to be happening anytime soon, but I do want to talk about it since we have the space to actually do so as of right now while we're cleaning the wheel. Because for me, honestly, right now, I'm stuck in between a couple cars. One, I want to go F80, but honestly, with the amount I'm making right now, it just wouldn't make sense for me to put myself into that situation of payments for F80. So next best would be, honestly, personally, E90 M3. Thinking about heavily, even though, you know, it's not the most reliable thing, supposedly. I mean, maintenance is expensive, but just spent $7,000 on this with free maintenance. Yeah, let's not talk about that. But you know, it's not like it's not gonna be something I'm not used to. I've had Audi, had Volkswagen, not like I'm not used to spending money on maintenance. And if the car needs it, bruh, it needs it. That's the type of mentality I have with the stuff I have. Only that, my cousin Steven actually had 2 E90s now, and honestly, nothing catastrophic. Honestly, make sure throttle actuators are done. Make sure rod bearings are done. You know. As long as that stuff is done, no oil leaks, diff bushings, etc. Honestly, you're in pretty good hands with the E90. As long as it's manual. If it's DCT, then you might have a couple more things to worry about. But I really don't want to use this over again. This is so dirty. Get a clean, put dirty water in here really quick. So rest of the soap off. I don't want to rub too deep in because I know this cloth isn't the cleanest right now, but it definitely did clean up the wheels pretty good. I just don't want to scratch the wheels. I don't want to have anything inside of here that'll scratch or so. I don't want to go too crazy, but from that to that, looks pretty good, especially it's going to be shiny in a little while too once I get the ceramic coat on there. So I'm just going to wash this off and get to the next one. Like I said, quick clean, nothing too crazy. Next car options as of right now. E90 M3, 17-ish RS3, or D4 S8. I love my D4s and D4.5. Honestly, I would go D4 just because of the headlights. I love the D4 headlights. Like, I don't know, I would say like around 2016-ish. You know, honestly, I wouldn't care D4 or D4.5. But I would love to have a fast boat. This is what is going to be soon. It's not going to be a fast boat, but it's going to be decently fast. After I get, you know, the tune and everything that I want. And everything that I want to get done to it, which is not that much. I mean, honestly, the the Jacko Motorsports, high flow cats, some custom mid-pipe or X-pipe just to get it sounding good. Like, I don't want this car, this A6 to be loud, but I want it to sound, I want some sound. And I also want it to sound smooth at that too. Alright, so it's time to put the wheels on, but I get this thing jacked up. My ratchet, actually. I almost forgot about that, I'm not gonna lie. Keys, where are my keys at? Where are my keys? My keys are in the car. Okay, so the GoPro died in the middle of my sentence, like I was trying to say. I don't ever remember if it's 17 or 19. It's 17. I remember one time I put the socket on the Golf R and almost rounded it because I thought it was 19. Let's not do that again. I don't know why I'm doing the rear first, but this is the closest wheel I'm going to, so I guess we're doing the rear. I don't know why I sat down with the rear. And, you know, the camera's already over here. I'm just bringing Jack over. We're going to do the rear first. Whatever. Alright, so let's hope these come off with ease. Because because the Audi with lug studs love to get stuck. Audi Volkswagen loves to get stuck. So let's hope these come off. Hopefully they weren't over torqued when they put on. Or hopefully there were too many ugga-duggas that were completed during the process put into the back on. Whoever they may case be. Let's see. That's one. Wow, those are really small. I'm used to my extended lugs on the freaking Golf R. Well, it turns out looking pretty freaking good on stock height, honestly. Like, I thought it was gonna, like, I knew it was gonna look okay because I know, like, the newer R6s and stuff, those are all, like, super duper high. Not high, but, you know, big wheels and not low. So it does look pretty nice. You know, the color definitely matches. It is a little bit higher than I want it to be. But like I said, it's only gonna be the way for a little while. Next 2 months, I'll go ahead and lower it. This side just looks high right now, I think because of the wheel is turned. And I guess this side has more poke than the other side, which is also weird. But they have a good amount of poke to where when I lower it, oh my gosh, the fitment is gonna be so freaking fire. So I'm gonna get out of here because it's late. But hope you guys enjoyed. Nice little chill video, just me talking, enjoying cleaning the wheels. It looks nice and ready for some more mods on the A6. I know I am. You guys definitely are, because I'm ready to hear this 3.0 T whine. Baby Hellcat noises coming soon. Yeah, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. So, come soon. More mods to the A6 for now. Back to Golf R, hopefully next video. See what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, stay safe. See you guys in the next one.